Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to Heartfelt Healing. Through painting and poetry, I share moments of love, loss, and renewal, each one part of my journey through grief and healing. Thank you for being here. Today, I would like to share this painting with you. This painting holds a deeply personal meaning for me. It was created in memory of November 8th, the day my beloved husband was cremated. A day that marked not just his physical departure, but my beginning of learning to live with the absence. The scene shows a quiet church on an autumn day. The golden leaves, the river, the distant skyline, they all carry a sense of peace, yet deep solitude. From the earth, a gentle plume of smoke rises and transforms into a bird, a symbol of his soul taking flight. This image is my way of honoring that moment, the transition from presence to memory, from what I could hold to what I now carry in my heart. To accompany this painting, I wrote a poem, a reflection of my emotions on that day and the days that followed. It speaks of the moment I imagined his spirit rising, like a bird born from ash, lifting into the sky. These words came from a place of deep loss, but also a longing to believe that love continues, even after goodbye. Here is the poem, The Bird I Couldn't Follow. His smoke rose soft into the sky. I was told a bird of ash birthed to fly. It circled once, then soared away. Beyond the trees, beyond the day. I searched the air, the earth, the water, but nothing answered when I called his name. The bird flew I couldn't follow, and left me here too lost to know. Thank you for watching and listening. This painting and poem are part of my Healing Art series, a journey through grief, memory, and love. Each piece helps me honor my husband's spirit and find light in the shadow of loss. If this touched your heart in any way, I invite you to continue this journey with me. Through art, through reflection, and through hope. Until next time, may peace walk gently beside you. Thank you.